my little friend them.
Beach there.
Hold on there. What do you run there?
Where you run there? Come on.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. You know me?
After we're going to Plansa. All vegan restaurant. 5-star.
Anytime me there on them girl, yeah, me can't eat meat. And it's not nothing. I like the vegan stuff. This is just the view that we had going to the beach or the boats and the water. Good life right there. So guys, we reach beach and all of we off. All of we have on almost the same kind of glasses.
Right. Everything naturally happened. We didn't plan this.
Period. Look at the water. Let's take a little picture. Right there. Sunny days. I don't know why I felt like I needed to video this, but look pan water and look pan sun. You don't know the darling have to wash off the crosses, car. People just envious and people just bring bad energy, so we have to go into the salt water and wash it off. As you can see right here, the dolly angler picture them. And this was us leaving the beach to go get some vegan sushi. My hand out of the window like me a tourist. And this is us just like we walk into the food place. The place name was Planta. So good. And these are the sushis we got. That's a crispy rice roll, a dragon. And this is just the journey going back home from a wonderful day at the beach and eating some vegan sushi with some amazing people. Bye. Like, share, and everything.